we're doing a big family dinner and shit today, so we're gonna try to get that welded and get the headers.
We're only cutting this out because we got one bolt hole, one header bolt. So we decided all this has got to go. Makes things a lot easier, don't it?
That's plastic, ain't it? I thought that was another layer of metal.
No. So at Harbor Freight, they sell nothing but quality. Well, we got like 14 layers of something down here.
You're almost. Plastic. Brandon, I think you can get the welding there now.
There's so much more room for activity.
Do you need to take the shot?
Here we go again.
You good? So solid. Man, what kind of blade is that? Hercules. That's fucking bird.
It's a good blade, ain't it?
That's a
You want to
good.
see what all it does?
Yeah.
I was gonna say it was used when I got hold of it.
Bad juice.
Yeah, I'm gonna leave it on the ball. Actually, let's do this. Was that a fart?
Oh, one day.
Was that you?
Yeah. Hey, tackle was big down there. I ain't I'm trying to hold it. Plastic.
Fucking mint, bud.
Actually looks good.
Considering we tried effortlessly.
Notice how much more is there though?
Yeah.
That's double layered.
Yeah. Double layer.
I mean, I wouldn't pull the fenders off of it or nothing.
No.
But I would definitely, now that we can get in here, I'd fix this dent.
Well, if
I'd hate
here,
to.
and this ain't. This is something else.
I was trying to justify it.
You can be rolling and kick it and it'll blow the tires off. Actually, all new suspension with air right. I've been trying to blow the airbags, but they won't.
So what he didn't tell you is this thing is, which the front I just cut. But this thing has got one racing seat sitting in the passenger side.
All this stuff is just because we didn't have nowhere to set it, but open the back door.
It's got, well.
Yeah, that stuff.
I took all the track and everything out.
It's a Denali.
Yeah.
It's not the XL. It's not the long one. No, it's like us. It's short.
Oh my God! Why'd you leave all this metal in the store?
Well, we
We
just
ain't got back there yet.
Well, I'll tell you what they did. They siliconed the fucking windows back in.
No, we just siliconed them so they wouldn't fall down. They never took them out. We just siliconed them up.
Yeah.
It does have the windows in it.
I'm trying to figure out
Factory
why we have this
OEM
phone
one?
in here. That's fucking white.
I'm gonna try to get Jared to help us. He's the only one I know can run no front end in a street class.
They put the windows back on with silicone so they don't fall down. There's nothing in it. There's no headline in it. First attempt, fail. Alright, go ahead and bring me about 5 more. Here. You ain't seen this face in a little bit. Been a while. Been hiding out the house, jacking off, eating Cheetos. Something like that.
Alright, here, you hold. Maybe I'm just looking
No, it ain't you.
Oh.
It's all me. See if I can.
flat against the head.
If I can get.
Hold on.
You want to trade me socks?
You want my front right?
Yeah. Probably good. I would.
It get burned up right here, but I guess it's. Hold on. Let me look in there, Brandon. Right there, sir.
Oh. Damn. Second attempt.
The whole bolt
Wow.
broke that time. So he's got
Broke off up in it.
No, when that velvet broke, it just hit hot.
It broke off on up in the head
Build it
some
out,
more.
Brandon.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to fill it all out. Problem is the strut power is just in my way enough. And I can't really. Get to do what I need to do. This is hard.
Glad it ain't the driver's side, Brandon.
Yeah, if it was the driver's side, we'd took the head off.
Alright, they're good. That's what my 9/16 out of.
Got any PB Blaster?
Yeah, you should have a whole bottle back here. I let the whole bottle in.
Oh, man, it's like crooked again. I can't.
Well, from up here, it's kind of hard to get it.
You know the routine. We've done this. Wow. Yep. Yes, sir. Third attempt. Probably a fail. The brake loose? Ah. Mother of God. Ain't nothing to it but keep trying to do it.
That's it, ain't it?
Put the heat to it.
Oh, this I'm gonna get a wrench. What size wrench is that?
17 or 18. 18. Oh,
A 17 or an 18?
yeah, something like that. How'd that song go? Fail. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Fail. This is a fail army. They don't always go easy. Oh my mother of God.
Alright, you want...
Oh well, at least it broke it off deeper up in the head. So I can get some better material.
I'm touching your weld right there.
Oh, it is?
Yep.
You
good?
I hit everything but.
you hit everything but the bolt.
Okay.
So on that last attempt, we were able to get it. We think.
We think.
It's, oh, you mother God! Alright, I believe it broke because I said that. That's the only reason it broke.
Probably.
Alright, let's try number, what, 5 or 6?
Let's try this again.
One set. Right there, right there. That's probably good there. That's probably a 19 there.
I got a 18 and a 17. That's probably here. Hold this. I'm gonna get a 19 right.
Yeah. We won't put this video out until after the race at I-64, but it's going for the truck class. Do what?
I told him when I left this down, he's got stretches for it. Right? You think it's that fucking wire, dude?
No, it's my weld.
Man, it's your weld. I've seen your weld. You weld pretty good.
It's just you can't get in there good. But anyways, this is just an old beater that he come up with. Realized I had a 5.3 after he bought it and said, you know what, let's throw a truck Norris cam in it, some headers. I believe he's going to leave it on an actual street tire because he don't care. The inside's a little rough, but that's besides the point. We'll show you that after the race. Or maybe today, I don't know. But he's going to try to lighten it up. This thing is all for fun. He ain't trying to put no big money into it. But if Ronald does everything correct and he can hit the skinny pedal at the correct time and not jump, I think he can do pretty good at the truck class down there. He fits all the rules. There's actually there's a really mean F-150 that comes down there. So I'm not for sure if it's Coyote car or Coyote motor, but it's a blower truck. It's bad. But I mean, if you even come down to the finals with somebody like that, that'd be really, really sweet.
Nitrous.
Yeah, by the way, he's gonna spray it. Got him a nice little set of long tubes. We are not gonna leave them just dumped. We're gonna do a little bit of an exhaust to it. Like I said, this isn't something he's putting a bunch of money into just because this is a beater that he came across. She's ugly, but she's out. But truck Norris cam, give us a big thumbs up on that one. We'll use that as a thumbnail. BTR springs, some nitrous, long tubes, some BTR goodies right there, and probably I don't know, 800 pounds, 1,000 pounds lighter than it was factory.
Easy.
You know what? I'm just gonna go ahead and show the interior. He just threw everything in here to get it out of the way, but he's gonna have one seat, steering wheel, and the dash. They're not gonna mess with the dash right now, but headliner is cut out of the way. This thing, you know, there's some metal in here they didn't take out. They just took out the easy stuff. I know you can't see in here, but it's completely gutted. All in the name of fun. But let's get some stuff ready to put the headers on. So they just found out. Oh yeah. Well, they just found out that the bolt that they've been fighting with bottomed out to the frame. There's not enough room. But
I'm gonna get my face and finger quick for you today. Yeah, now we got it hung.
Oh, brag a little.
Like before that, we over there working on that night, and he ripped that son bitch that belt come on.
All right, now go ahead and make that bolt out.
Hey,
Maybe break
speaking
that.
of hitting in the face, years ago I had a pusher on the brake come up and smack him right beside the eye. I didn't trust you behind me. Oh, you didn't even just cut it.
Unplug that.
I'm going to. I ain't gonna cut that.
I was just everything else he's cut.
Yeah, you never know. We may want to stick AC back out.
You ain't putting nothing back on this thing.
I know that one. Yeah.
The only thing you're putting on this is headers and a nitrous kit. Look at all the room now. Like it's just. Wait, is this all the stuff y'all? Where's the rest of y'all took off?
Yes. I bought it for
It was a whole trailer.
Took a whole trailer load off.
This garage was already this dirty before I started.
Yeah.
This is thanks to Mitch and Tackett.
Don't blame that on God's children.
I think it ain't gonna go from the bottom, boy.
Peru.
It's done. This one's got to go from top.
Well, if that's the case, boy, are we in trouble on the driver's side.
That's it, Mitch. Just send it side.
All right, just pull it out. Well, now we get to see what the inside of the motor looks like on camera. Hey, at least he beat the header to death.
Hey, look, it's matching the truck, boy.
Oh, jeez.
210,000 miles.
Look at her. GM's finest.
Aluminum pilots for free.
Shoot, I wouldn't even change nothing out. You just throw that truck. No, I'm joking. Just
Throw it in there and say, hell with it.
Just throw it in there and say hell with it. Don't care about them valve seals.
Springs.
It don't? Huh. Oh, looky.
Or just a 560, I think.
And you pack it?
Well, at least the spark plugs are still not
All right,
broke
this
off.
side's in. Let's get us some bolt in them.
They're coated.
They're-
Give me 2 bolts, Tackett.
Can we put a gasket on first? I mean, I'm just saying.
Well, I didn't know if that gasket, you know, some of your
Just
headers got
shut up.
ends, they just took over.
We'll cut it. I'll cut it for you, baby boy. Put the bolts in. I'm gonna cut it.
We can do it like you want to.
No, we're gonna cut it now that you already said it.
I'm gonna cut it.
Get your bolts in.
Don't call me out, man.
That light really doesn't work for you there, does it?
Not a bit. Not a bit, Mr. Brandon.
If it makes you feel any better, I think if that harness on the other side was just moved, that you would probably be okay on that
Make sure
side.
you one on each complete end.
Yeah, Ronald. Duh.
Ronald.
He was putting one right in the damn middle.
It still would have worked while I was going to do it, though.
Because he's cutting the other end.
Look at that is good and clean in there, ain't it?
Yeah. That's clean.
No, I'm talking about this. I didn't say this. This.
Oh. He's getting his gasket cut. And I'm going to look at this side. I don't know if I want to. Oh, that booster. Oh, man, you know what?
No, that's not what it works. Look down at the steering shaft. It's like that big ram. Look down in there.
Give me some more bolts.
Shit.
Sir?
Wait a minute. Now, I don't know. This side may come up from the bottom.
Normally about anything is one each way.
I can't wait to start this son of a bitch up. I swear I can't.
Sorry, bud.
Yeah, okay.
What is today's date? March the 12th.
Today is the 12th.
March 12th. The race he's wanting to be at is on the 25th.
Down where I can work out, please. I'm sitting here scratching plumb over.
But he's got a lot of work to do to be ready for that.
Brandon, quit lying to him. Tackett's got a lot of work
I was
to
gonna
do.
say I've got a lot of work.
Don't.
That's all right. Any man that runs this LS face shirt like this, he's capable.
Well, I get my damn fingers in there.
That's what she said. Oh,
easiest.
Well,
Oh, right there.
sorry, I kind of
Get my
forgot.
stool.
I kind of forgot to record. But it did. It went right dead in place.
I think your bolts over on your bench, Mitch.
Oh yeah.
Well, I had to get my step stool where you have to do it, so. I didn't think about that down wrong.
Okay.
Just putting your ends in
What
it.
gas is it?
He's cutting the.
Go ahead and put
You can start your
end
front
on.
one and your rear one.
All right, done, everybody?
Seriously, take it.
That was this.
Oh no, that's
No.
legit him.
That was it.
That was you,
Yeah, that was wrong.
Jesus.
That header's heavy.
Yeah, straining. What do you mean, Mitch? Talk to me.
No, that really is the heaviest header. I'd like to see the shipping
Like,
weight.
took out of the back seats, we made up the header.
The headers on this thing, no joke, are probably 10 pounds heavier than the manifolds that come off of it.
We good. Not to say what goodness.
Y'all on the YouTube channel may only know me from this stuff, but this stuff has my heart. Nitrous is a whole different animal, and I love it. It's like cocaine and Cheetos.
Cut our teeth on.
Yeah, that's all we know. Goes together like cocaine and waffles. I would assume that GM boated in.
I thought maybe y'all could.
Oh, there's that dent we worked so hard to get.
Give me that Allen. That Allen you had.
That will have to be on board.
Get the sawzall. Where's the sawzall?
You leave one little clip off of that.
A clip or both?
A clip.
Them wish we had a.
Oh man, I got it. Here's your boats.
No.
Pull it.
Don't feel
There's still more.
Where? Try it.
No, it should drop down for another.
But there's a boat right here.
feels funny, don't it?
But what to my nuts.
I can't swing this car one-handed.
It's turning good, but it's just.
Got it.
Now we can see where this cut. Oh, bulls. Hey, bulls. Or look.
Does it look like an F-body deal?
How'd you put this on, Tack? The riding in or the riding out?
It don't matter.
Yeah.
Riding out.
Look up in there, Brandon. We're nowhere even near the fender.
What?
That back boat tacket,
Just
I want to give the things that don't feel good. I don't know. Putting it in.
Yeah.
all that can go
Do you want it to go?
later.
Don't want to mess with
We're
it
gonna
right
get
now?
headers on it, so we're about to
Yeah, we'll
get
save
all
that.
the other bolts in it.
Honestly, structure, I don't know if I'd cut that or not. Just for,
I feel like structure wise, he's just right.
Here now.
oh God! So he's throwing on the Wi-Fi. Mitchell is pulling the cover off right quick so we can pull this cam out. And Tackett is looking for something, I guess, to put the bolts in. Mitchell, just exactly how many times have you done a LS cam swap now?
A fucking lot.
A bunch.
A lot.
There has probably been 40 or 50 in this garage alone.
You got a short one, Tack?
Oh, really gonna ask him that while I'm recording?
Can you fix the head over?
Which way?
You've been preparing for that your whole life, ain't you, Tackett?
Been waiting for that question a long time.
I think found under the bed of Chris's truck.
I was like, bro, it's out.
Look at it. The bolt was weight reduction in itself.
Yeah.
She shook it well.
Oh my God.
Disconnected over here.
Kick it.
For what?
No, he didn't kick it, man.
Well, been a little bit.
Why is that interference still in it?
We made it this side.
How heavy do you think it is, Ronald?
30 pounds, 20.
30, 35 pounds.
All the way on the nose.
So is this is that cross member there needed?
Probably not.
We'll cut it out.
We cut that on the Silverado because it
Yep.
had the same cross member.
Well, why can't we just cut this whole tip off?
We can.
Well, that's your bumper mount would set on that.
I just say we just nick this.
That's what we did on the
That's what we did on
Silverado.
that truck.
So I said the bumper actually goes into this.
Yeah, it's that
Go
truck.
get
Give
your
me
saw.
the bracket, it actually goes on this. It don't
This-
go on that.
I would just cut
So
that.
put an X here. We don't want this has got. Right now it looks like a fox.
Here at Tackett's Garage, we take pride and care in our LS engines. We give them back to you, bubble wrapped.
Yep, huh?
You on that fan tool.
Keep the blade from what? What we got there?
8 pounds. 5.
8, 10 pounds.
Is it that? Oh, damn.
I mean, yeah, that's exhaust size. We can use
No,
that for an
that's-
exhaust.
That's
You know what
bigger.
we're gonna do there?
Yeah, we can use it for exhaust. Got a whole 2 hole right there.
Don't you start you laughing, you cocksucker.
So the cam bearings looked swell.
I'll be honest with you, they really didn't look bad.
Oh, you actually looked. I know I didn't.
I did.
Yeah, we
They got me fucking talking about it and I had to look.
I didn't look. Don't say they, you fucker.
You look now.
No, I didn't. I said don't look.
You know you did. You don't even want to put that on camera, did you? You think you want to put that over here?
Haters can be such a pain in the ass. But you didn't cheap out on nothing either, so that makes a big difference.
So I ain't trying to spend a fortune on it, but I don't want to go dead. You know what I'm saying?
Right, this is just for fun.
Yeah, that's all this is. This ain't for no.
And this is them Brian Tooley cam install.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Water pump back on, Tacky.
I got all kinds of them.
So I'm gonna end this video right here.
Grab me a cam plate and I'll go ahead and
They're gonna put
Cam plate.
timing chain and gear back on, get all that took care of. I'm not dealing with springs tonight
we'll
because
do
it's
that tomorrow
cold
evening.
and
And then nitrous.
yeah, we're worried about the nitrous already.
We gotta get the nitrous.
You ain't gonna worry about getting nothing else done?
Like we should
Just nitrous now.
Nitrous. We should go ahead and just stop and start on that.
Yeah.
Anybody want to close this out? Tell them we'll see you on the next one.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
See you on the next one.